If you're shopping for under-cabinet microwaves, then this video will be perfect for you. We've scoured the internet and found the 6 best models that we think are worth trying out. Number 1. Best Overall, Toshiba EM131A5C SS Under-Cabinet Microwave. If you're seeking a microwave to bring your kitchen into the digital era, the Toshiba EM131A5C SS Smart Sensor Microwave is just for you. The sleek, stylish stainless steel exterior with easy-to-clean interior features sensor touch control that allow users to adjust cooking time and power based on their dish type. It is a precision cooking appliance for your food needs. Its pre-programmed sensor menu cooks your favorite food to perfection. The defrost settings comes preset with custom and 1-pound auto defrost option. It has a sound on or off option, a child safety lock, and 10 power settings for different foods. Number 2. Commercial Chef CHM009 Under Cabinet Microwave. This model is designed to suit any kitchen's needs. It will heat up last night's leftovers and provide you with a quick snack in no time at all. A durable stainless steel front provides lasting durability, and the black cabinet blends well with the decor of any room it sits in. Commercial Chef microwaves were designed by chefs who know what it means to have a quick cooking solution for busy kitchens. With the 6 one-touch buttons, you can create up to 2 different dishes in just few minutes. There are 5 different power settings with convenient auto wait and speed defrost. Number 3. Panasonic Compact Under-Cabinet Microwave. The Panasonic Compact Microwave Oven made cooking small items easy, simple, and quickly. Space-saving with an 11-power level countertop oven that cooks food 11 times faster than regular electric ovens. Cooking is as easy as pushing a button. This small under-cabinet microwave is a kitchen essential for cooking healthy and creative dishes. The smart sensor automatically adjusts the power and time to take the guesswork out of everyday meals, while inverter technology generates a seamless stream of microwave cooking power for evenly heated foods from edges to the center. Number 4. Frigidaire FFMB1845VS Under Cabinet Microwave. Frigidaire appliances have long been known for offering both quality and value. The Frigidaire 30-inch stainless steel microwave is no exception. This is a 1000-watt microwave with 10 power settings. We love some of the features offered on this microwave, including auto defrost, a timer, and 27 other touchpad buttons. The Frigidaire is an easy microwave to install and weighs just around 35 pounds. If you have Frigidaire appliances, or are just ready to upgrade to something that is high quality and capable of completing a variety of kitchen projects, the Frigidaire is a great choice. Number 5. GE Stainless Steel Under Cabinet Microwave. With space for your dishes and a sleek modern look, this GE microwave looks great on any countertop. Just push one button for simple cooking controls, choose preset times for perfect poached eggs, melt butter, or grated cheese with its quick pulses of high waves. This oven has convenient cooking controls to help you cook just the way you want. With auto and time defrost, it can be fast and easy to defrost whichever food items you're looking to heat up. This unit comes with a turntable for even heating. Number 6. Frigidaire FGMV17WNVF Under Cabinet Microwave. The Frigidaire FGMV17WNVF over-the-range microwave oven is perfect for small spaces. It includes an effortless clean interior surface that helps clean up any messes during cooking, while sensor cooking technology automatically adjusts power levels and cooking times, so it's simple to prepare your favorite dish with ease. With over 30 options available for the best under-cabinet microwave oven, including chicken nuggets and snacks, the True Energy Star Qualified FGMV17WN, including effortless clean interior, sensor cooking, 10 power levels, and 11 auto cooking options. We hope that this video has helped you to learn about the world of under-cabinet microwave ovens and find one that is perfect for your needs.
Thanks for watching the video.